Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. Pacho mesere mo like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushafo yeko NSM nime.
What officially I have not seen the report, but at least I may can't hear a tape from press conference now. Now 15 billion.
Good. So you see, what you are doing is that you are repeating the NDC political party narrative. Say, loss are cost.
Yes.
15 billion.
Yes.
But there's some good to show for
Yes.
it. And in fact, it's not just you. Ome recruiting a lot of, I'm not saying they have recruited you. Ome recruiting a lot of people. You know, some pretending some are neutral, some pretending some are analysts near there to be repeating the same line. In fact, when they made the content creators, it wasn't about
that.
No problem. We'll be a crampon charge home with that one. But they feel the need to explain. The reason for which 15 billion, Ibimoke 15 billion is because that is a propaganda they want to put out. But the truth, and that's why we did the press conference and draw, was that when you download the account and you go into it, the loss is nothing less than 35 billion Ghana cedis. And so 35 ni beti me actually the entire you use the expression nothing less than 35. Ushe mankasa loss near 44 billion Ghana cedis.
And no ewo piece. I've gotten the if it will be a forward the soft copy now, Mrs. Here. I don't know, sir. We're 136 pages.
136 pages. That is the one we downloaded from the Bank of Ghana website.
Okay.
So it will be called down. Say it will be withdrawn. That's the full one. We have the first one, so you can always come back to it. Now let me take you to page 5.
Page 5
of the accounts.
Okay.
So permit me on my hard copy. What I say.
Yes.
Page 5.
Okay.
I want to be who dear friend headline loss. Until I say, oh, we also must state headline loss. No, I say, and we are
into headline.
First of all, there's the bank, and then there's the group. Yes. So when we say the bank is made up of the bank and some subsidiaries.
Sure,
okay.
Sure.
Until group on the side, the headline loss near.
And that is from this side, right? Okay. In the group side, no. Headline loss for 2025. 15.287.911 billion.
Afikwasi, read the next line.
The next line is transfer to General Reserve Fund. Transfer to General Reserve Fund. And also 2025, 14.982.578 billion. Leaving a balance to be carried forward on retained earnings of 647.544 million for 2025.
Okay. Afi, so ukra soft copy now. Let me take you to page page 16 of the Central Bank.
Okay. Page 16.
My highlight it. Top line, first line.
Okay.
And the headline.
Yeah, headline loss. Loss for the year.
Good.
2025. 15.300.513 billion Ghana cedis.
And for is it the bank or the group?
Where for the group.
Okay.
And for the bank, no. And also 15.630.122 billion.
Into nona NDC for the year propaganda say that is the loss. But that same page 16, yes, we say my highlighted two other figures.
And there were other comprehensive income for the year net of tax.
Good, because on my accounts, you were operating account which shows the normal Ejuma Bank of Ghana. Any award the other comprehensive income account, other nema omoya any part of omo core activities. Into what has happened is say core Ejuma Nkasa omo yeno.
Yes.
Omo boka 15.6 billion Ghana cedis. What they are hiding from you, ni say uko sa page 16 we say so the other comprehensive income no. Ehono mu make loss. Pacho loss na ohoni ahe.
And also loss no for the group.
Yeah.
For the group here, 19.888.779 billion Ghana cedis. That's for the group. For the bank, 19.3 322.253 billion Ghana cedis.
And so who the actual loss of the central bank for the bank 15.6 plus 19.3 and we pay 34.9 billion Ghana cedis. But on say because omoye propaganda omama bank mpanifo na nkasa mambeka no krenintino one hwe ya nko kan kra hu they are what any press conference NDC party na be say ombo ka 15 billion but the 19 na bete other comprehensive income nemu to 15 plus 19 na make actually say nothing less than 34.9 billion cedis. That's the loss. Why is there a difference in this figure? Because they are doing politics with it. Senkamuma Bank of Ghana nankasa to nebo echo through the process ebe presente ya. I am not sure said the governor will come and say 15.6. He will say 34.9. But because of more politicizing, no more person to futrogun kofu anything, and number point say 15.6. We'll come into the details. Now, sa 34.9 we ankasa obi asem wo page 7.
Okay, in the page 7,
Good. That is the beginning of the accounts.
Yes, report of the directors to the Minister for Finance.
Good. Ehona omuchro ejuman kasa Ghana Constitution, any Bank of Ghana Act as amended, which is primarily to maintain price stability. Now you susu dia bia e measure hwese nti Bank of Ghana no ejuma e dia hye ne nsa no ni sika eso no so mfanya na ni nsuo eso no dware ana economics mun yefra no policy solvency. Policy mandate na ye dia ma no, are you solvent enough to fulfill it, i.e. ubetumi aye wa bra wankasa wo generate wo revenues na wo de emiti ana say just a bank na nkasa no aban ebre ni sika foforo na okobo besi ana oprenti sika foforo ansa na wetumi de aye. It's a very critical test because central bank no a lender of last resort no, so a policy insolvent then it just asmaba in this obekaya 2022 abra Bank of Ghana making loss for the first time. Madam for power to forcing or said the Bank of Ghana is near policy insolvency. Na
that's 60 billion loss.
Yes. Na net equity na ko negative and until governor na pound in 21 days. Na Bank of Ghana na be crime scene. So obekaya. Okay, yes. That is because this policy solvency question is a very critical test. Now policy solvency in your calculation idea. Uber calculate all the revenues what's a bank ninya from normal activities. Now what the cost of policy mandate implementation? Policy mandate no maintaining price stability. You bet me I can simple language say kutia inflation.
Yes.
Into the cost of fighting inflation. Ube TFE all revenues. Into table ne wo no.
Yes.
Where a Bank of Ghana for accounts.
Yes.
Table ne wo no.
Yes.
Ube line by line. Or my listed revenues nina. But so bet me boss watch with for
policy solvency estimation, the bank. First line here, interest income calculated using the effective interest method. Second line,
and yes, a bank
yes.
For example, overnight lending to commercial banks and other on lending that the central bank would do.
Yes.
Interest income free. No.
Okay. Net income from other financial instrument at FVPL.
And put all the 10 cars aside.
Yes.
But Nina near my bank no as part of a normal ejuma omoya in faso anasika omunya
in the fees and commission income,
yes.
Other operating income, net gain from the sale of refined gold.
Pause. I want a problem no one.
A net gain, no?
Yes, from the sale of refined gold. And when come ejuma inti unza account ni crown no you 2025 no 2024.
Yes.
Ko 2024 ho.
2024 under net gain zero, nothing.
Yes, zero.
Yeah.
Because 2024 the Bank of Ghana didn't need to sell gold to raise money. And come ejuma when come tradition asset sale and come ejuma. If you heard the other revenue items,
income from operations.
Okay.
Cost of open market operations.
Who be do income from operations now? Let's say total income in 22 billion.
22.231.377.
Inti no na wo beti cost of policy mandate implementation.
And run as a Michelle Lady B video. Na mami who said, and Intia Nyamian said Jimmy. Hey, Yaya Jimmy Wong. And waiting. Inti boys na moha na enemy ni man mo koko ware amon hwim mamu ware ba wajimi anaba ma wajimi mesrew yare anyame kura ba wansa na ye kase o Bank of Ghana boka na waba tse wafa camera sinani mo be chechrim na nkaka we nyina na nke begu so na president no wafa amaye na me say Jimmy ya economy no run ni yi a e ka ba akira na onya mfaso ma yenye little business ro me wo company me manufacture niema se me ton me ye me niema ye na metoto me niema ye a me ton a me se me boka na se me nya mfaso se me nya mfaso enti se ye economy ni se omo run na economy ni good a I don't think se Ghana be boka so almost full say nyeska omode ko share dollar rate say ye maintaining dollar at a static position na yes anema na nka I don't think say car ya bo edu 44 million but ye pese ye bibi magana for hu say ye ya de meanwhile na ye absorb debt egu ho on and this for they omo yeti bongoso omo ni re and omo ma onka so omo yeti bongoso omo problem one wajim na onim se wajim ya eju na omo no economy ni de ombe run ne basa sa engine we should embrace it say there are difficult times ahead ana omo ti asofofo kana omo ba abontin na omo ma fake prophecy na say na omo be say masa eniema papa bi emfiri aban we mu ma yenim omo dada first John no ne second John no sa na etie ebi ensesa edi Ghana for mu say abato so wo nsusanso edi say yakoto aba mo me nto aba pa ye ntie policies na okotie nko edi mesam ye next time no yakoto aba na mo me ye nto aba pa na ye membra Kevin Taylor so unua Kevin Taylor nye nipa say as a ye man audience because yesokoto nwuru na ne barrier and this for omo philosophy and Kevin Taylor dey aduma omo no omo ni man ya atendidi and omo build Kevin Taylor to that extent say yeah minia
mpacho bincho anu the same ball video yo na enfa no ye forget about Kevin Taylor enfa Prophet Kofi Oduro no enfa on the video we wabe he has said something about Kwesi official assembly no any dum so assembly no I want to play it and I'll give you 4 minutes again talk about
okay.
it then right see but for enti Prophet Kofi Oduro
Nkwasia kunza kan ye dum ejaye obi aka na no atum kwasia dwene na ba me na adan madu ya gada nkwasia dwene na ye se adwuma akosombo ase ama nipa ye nwuru ba bia obia ngo agime angasa momi ampa yese akosombo no ahye no eniema ba kama Asia drink Pasia Vinica. William de ya, who feel on way, we are electrician, but no be fa cables so the year Juma, Precopana Caneas. Na Pessayen Nagana and na baby a canea co baby. Tell me, say, I'm going to see a baby, the get the gata. I didn't see that. Not to Abba. Don't to a benti a baby say I didn't see it. Any of us here, no. politicians in the Muslim and Nimuntiminka wage, and young Garcia, they want to abenti in Dominka Sanjina was and someone walk and 5 GBN will be prepared for fruit pole. Aqua Ressa cable, no Hasheno, will be to make the Fofraco join it. Aqua connect. What will be Papano, would be Fiona, who will say, would one to make a and all that kind of thing. Number General Catos and Garcia, I was a 1 years. Amen. Amen. Yeba half of flow. Ahankasa kania no in so your current no from a wulu. First yeba ha saw generator air condition and yeduma also iron and yeduma. And the radia do moma be pija yinimo kakramae. Even though still you're so screen ya and ma and omnia dear nina kania semia. But ye name say and change when I feel free see about Hanona Kania cry at the Casano. It's the other in a war, you cannot be able to understand. So I didn't know into your never support. You made the Odums from Quaba Tuna so now I'm sorry no you see now I can see now so for my way over Banu Tina Conium near Yana Mama.
Ebusian for I will answer this. I will talk about this 4 minutes. Just make it for me 4 minutes. You see, me and meeting, I always say it. Obi I'll show me YouTube piano. You see that I always say one thing. They say me a sorry ba. Me I be church boy. I play keyboard in church. 100% church boy. I see correct definition of church boy. Me, right? And so, Yakupon say, if you want to talk about men of God, we should be measured in how we speak. Understand that. That's notwithstanding. You see, when a man of God leaves a calling to become a politician, we address him as a politician. I don't have any problem when a pastor, a prophet, speaks about ills, or minimum. No problem. Because if you look at Bible, the way God has made everything in His a king will rule with a prophet. Israel, no. And at any point in time, Israel for have a king Biano, there was a prophet he was ruling with. David had a prophet he was ruling with. Saul was ruling with Samuel. So that when God speaks, the prophet will be able to translate what God is saying to the king. And it's no problem. But when you have prophets who are now wearing political parties' colors, then we have a problem. Prophet Kofi Odro is somebody that I respect a lot. When Osinyamia friend, a Brian Yakupon friend, you and I were not there. It's yet to me in Yakupon friend. But what I can say for a fact, Nene say, this is not how Prophet Kofi Odro was speaking when his nephew was a cousin or Julius Debra was in opposition. No way. Kofi Odro was going to the extent say he was even insulting Akufo-Addo. Kofi Odro. He was insulting Akufo-Addo. So on Jai Jimienu, Jai Jimienu, no Tietim. Adentia, nani cousin, Julius Debra now oti opposition. And ni cousin no, abaye chief of staff biom. Kofi Odro, ediniche eko Church of Pentecost, eko jina nani cousin. Crocodile tears was crying. Crocodile tears. When Timmy catch the cousin, Julius Debra said, Jai. Because if you want to take an action, if somebody you are employing has gone to insult a chairman or a Church of Pentecost, the best thing to do is to sack the person to teach a lesson to the rest. When Timmy and catch no, he stood there. Otta no so nani cares ne Jimmy. After that, say, let's declare war with the Church of Pentecost. Let's go and catch somebody. Let's say the person or your Church of Pentecost elder. They did all that. Okay? Dumswa esisino. SS enkrofoniama. Aha na yen na yeti se na eja osuka se wakwakoto Samsung fridge over 25,000 Ghana cedis. dun so asɛ fridge no ɛna obi a ɔyɛ content creator because asɛm a ɔka no na ɔde reply kwesi official